You can use plus operator to add two lists together, and it works as you would expect, unlike with the string, and original lists are not affected. You can also use extend function. The difference is that it modifies the first list rather than create a new one. The second list is not affected, as you can see. It also takes a third argument to specify the position to insert the second list. You can put the second list in the very beginning by using index 0. When the index goes beyond bounds, erase an error. You can also specify the index with minus values. By putting -1, inserts the second list before the last item, not at the very end. Again, if you go beyond the bounds, erase an error. As a side note, the extend function returns a reference to the first list. So that means if you modify the returned value, you would also modify the first list.